Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your BMW X3 key fob. You do not need any tools. You just need one of these replacement batteries. This takes a 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take you straight there. On the back here, there's a little button right here. You just want to push this and then slide this metal piece off. Now there's a little tray right here, which you can either use your fingernails to pull it out, but I think using this key is a little bit easier. Put your key right here and just push in firmly and twist gently. That'll remove the tray. Now remove your dead battery. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing downward. This tray clips in just like that. It can only fit in this direction, so that's helpful. Put your key back in and then slide your back piece back on like that. And you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.